Hope you all are fine. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how we can use the formula for squaring a binomial in order to evaluate, okay, the given question, okay. Like we have been here with this question that we have to find the value of 54 square, okay. We have to find the value of the square of 54. So how we can use the formula for squaring, okay. So let's see how to do it. 54. Children, 54 can be written as 50 plus 4, okay, and square. So now, can you see? It can be written as 50 plus 4, okay, or you can write it as 60 minus 6 also, okay, because 60 minus 6 is also 54. You can do it in either ways, okay. So I have taken 54 as 50 plus 4 and it's square. So we can apply here the formula or the identity as a plus b whole square, okay. That will give us a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay. Now when we are going to compare 50 plus 4 the whole square, okay, we get a as 50 and b as 4, okay. Now on substituting the values here, here we are having a as 50, so we will put 50 square plus 2 into a is your 50 and b is your 4 plus b is your 4, so square of 4. So what we are getting here, 50, the square of 50 is 2500 plus 52 is 100, 100 into 4 is 400 plus square of 4 is 16, okay. Now when we add 2500 plus 400 plus 16, we get 2916. Isn't it that simple to evaluate the square of any numbers, okay. First we can just expand it in binomial in terms. In that way we can apply the identity, algebraic identity, and we can evaluate, okay. So hope you are fine with the explanation, and kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet, okay. Thank you so very much.